Hello and welcome everyone on this amazing learning platform of Bright Avishkar. I hope you are fit and fine and making your time productive. So, dear learners, today I have come here to make you understand the difference between also and to. Because many of us usually give reply when someone from our family says I love you to us and we give reply I love you too. So, dear learners, which one is correct? I love you too or I love you also. So in this video we are gonna learn that grammatically which one is correct. So let's see the difference between to and also according to English grammar. To and also both has similar meanings in Hindi bhi. Like he likes chocolate, but in second sentence I have used also. I also like chocolates. So also and to are adverbs that means the same but should be used in different ways. Also should be used before verb or adjective, and to on the other hand should be placed at the end of clause. So let's see some examples so that you will got this concept in a clear manner. The first example is I like chocolate also, but it is according to the rule it is incorrect because we have used also at the end of sentence, which is not correct. The second is he also likes chocolate. Here we have placed the also before the noun, that is like. Another example is he likes chocolate too. Here we have used to at the end of clause. We can speak English. They can speak English too. Another example is I have also taken my lunch. He has taken lunch too. So this is the first point of difference. Now the second point of difference between also and to. Let me give you an example. सूरज is also learning English. सूरज भी इंग्लिश सीख रहा है. सूरज is learning English too. सूरज इंग्लिश भी सीख रहा है. So सूरज इंग्लिश भी सीख रहा है. So here in the first sentence and Suraj is also learning English. That means he is just learning English. But in second sentence, that is Suraj is learning English too. That means along with doing another work, he is learning English. So he is doing some other work also, and he is learning English too. So the point of difference is both has similar meanings. As I told you earlier, in Hindi we generally used be, but for subject we use also and for object we use to. Let me give you an example so that you understand it in a better way, the second point of difference between to and also. Example is I will also drink juice. So here what we have done, we have placed the also after the subject we have placed here. Second example is I will drink juice too. मैं जूस भी पीऊँगा. Here juice is an object, that means it is a non-living. So here we have placed the to after the non-living. So I hope you have got this second point of difference. So now which one is correct? I love you too or I also love you. So according to the second rule, the second one, that is I also love you, is correct because I love you too, here you is object but it is not a non-living, because we are saying this sentence to some living person like I love you. So here we must use I also love you. You can also use in spoken I love you too, but if you want to be grammatically correct, then you had better to use I also love you. So guys, thank you very much, and I hope you have got the main difference between to and also. So please give your feedback so that I can brush up my skills. Thank you very much once.